What if I told you that in 2025, your side hustle could literally run itself while you sleep? It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality thanks to AI. Forget spending hours trading your time for money. I'm talking about setting up automated income streams that work for you 24/7. Imagine an AI that creates and sells digital art, or a bot that manages a niche affiliate marketing website, optimizing everything for profit while you're dreaming. We're on the brink of a revolution where your creativity, paired with the right AI tools, can build a hands-off business. In my next videos, I'll break down exactly how you can start building these AI-powered side hustles. This isn't just about extra cash. It's about reclaiming your time. If you're ready to learn how to make money in your sleep, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next.